Repairing small details. Inside a silicone mold, inner mouth area 1-part tutorial.
In this section, I will show how to repair a small detail inside the silicone mold, specifically in the inner mouth area, using the same silicone. I'm doing my best to film in this difficult area, with very small and intricate details. First, I need to place the mold in a firm and secure position to safely make the repair. I recommend surrounding the repair area with paper towels to prevent silicone from dripping. Keep in mind that we are working inside the mold, so extra care is needed. I spray acetone on the area to be repaired to prevent contamination and disinfect it. I used pins to stabilize the position. The clay is sulfate-free and helps fill the space inside the mold. I spray Exhibit X Smooth on to ensure better adhesion. This is one of my favorite tricks for repairing silicone. Always shake well and follow product instructions. Here, I prepared a small portion of silicone using dragon skin part A and B, the same material as the mold. I added 2 drops of Thivex to thicken the silicone and keep it in place. The texture is thick. Pay close attention to it. Using a small new brush, I will fill and refine the mold area. The idea here is not to modify the mold or its design, but simply to complete any missing areas with silicone. It's almost like sculpting the roof of the mouth again. That's the goal. The repair is done. Using a cotton swab soaked in acetone, I will carefully clean any areas that might have gotten dirty where they shouldn't. Then, with a soft, new brush soaked in naphtha, I will smooth out the silicone, making it uniform and similar to the original design. Naphtha is my preferred choice for this process. Perfect. Now let's wait to dry. Once it's dry, carefully remove the pins. First, secure the mold firmly, then gently pull out the pin. If any extra detail is out of place, cut it and smooth it carefully with a small pointed tool. If there are any small holes left, I will use silicone adhesive, which can be found on Amazon. Using the tip of a wooden stick, I will add the silicone adhesive into any small hole I find in the mold. It's a simple and delicate process. Naphtha again. Now just let it dry, and the mold will be ready to use. I hope this helps with your art process. Feel free to leave a comment and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.